Hello, how are you? My name is Germán Carrizo. Now is work in Fierro, I chef in Fierro, and it's a pleasure work today with Chef Kelly from California and working the best product with a wonderful pistachio in California.
Yes, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Thank you.
Hola. Today I'm making what I'm calling a blonde gazpacho from California. It may not be a traditional Spanish gazpacho, but we're incorporating some really great fresh produce from Spain and also some pistachios. This pistachio in this recipe I think pistachios are very versatile, and so the creaminess of this soup is a little bit different than obviously a tomato-based soup. I'm gonna be using a sour cream and a chicken stock as the base. So what I do is I prepare all of the ingredients ahead of time. I have tomatoes that I did as a brunoise, or you could do as a small dice. I also have a red bell pepper, and then I have cucumber. And then I'm gonna add some pistachios and then mix this all together. And then herbs to finish everything off. So chef, so what I usually do is I have some really good chicken stock that you made today, or you made. Do you wanna tell me how you make your chicken stock?
Now the chicken stock is in Spain is never put the chicken stock. It's only use the liquid for the tomato.
Okay.
But it's different. It's your recipe, and it's very interesting for your recipe.
Yeah, this is going to be very interesting. So this is a creamy base right here. Has a little bit of acidity because it's sour cream. And so what I like to do is add a little bit of the vegetable stock or chicken stock, whatever you have. And even if you needed to thin it out with water, you can thin it out with water. So as you can see, it's a little bit chunky. I know that you know what? As a chef, you never stop learning, right? Do we ever stop learning?
Yes,
Yeah.
all day learning.
I need to learn how I can cook in a kitchen this small. I mean,
It's very small, but it's created different dishes. But it's very interesting. It's very exciting to work with you in these recipes.
Yeah, I heard that you have six people that work with you in this kitchen.
Yes.
Wow.
Eight.
And you do how many covers in an evening?
No, it's 12 covers
12
in
covers.
Fierro.
Okay.
Yes, I have a Michelin star, and the product is.
Felicidades.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias.
That is amazing.
It's a very little restaurant. It's very small, but I work in different dishes. The menu is 16 dishes for a person.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm coming back for that experience. Okay, so I'm gonna add the cucumber here. So the reason why I mixed the sour cream and the chicken stock, as you saw, was so I can get that creaminess that I want without having any clumps of the sour cream in there. And then now I'm adding the tomato. Thank you, chef. And then I'm going to add a little bit of
The best
ajo.
product in Spain, the garlic.
This is gonna give it some really great aromatics. And then this is a salt and pepper blend. So it has black pepper, white pepper, pink peppercorn, Malden sea salt, Himalayan. And then as you can see, you're looking for all those beautiful vegetables in there. So I'm gonna mix this. This is actually great the day of, but it's also great the next day because it sits. And then I'm going to add some green onion and some chive. So this is gonna give it some more aromatics. I'm also gonna grab, you're excited, aren't you? And then I'm gonna add some basil. Basil's really gonna elevate it. Obviously, we know basil goes great with the tomatoes and cucumber. Definitely a summer chilled cold soup.
Yes, but the albahaca in Spanish, albahaca and tomate, is a very pairing, very good. I love it, this combination. This is a very typical from Italian for the caprese salad.
My favorite. And then Italian parsley. Okay. So lots of herbs. Everything in my cooking, I use a lot of herbs. I like to have items, ingredients in my cooking that you kind of wonder what is also in there, and herbs really help make that happen. So then, how are we doing, chef? Is it looking good? Yes. We're gonna add some pistachio, okay? So we're gonna save some for on top as well. Looks like we need a little bit more.
Yes, stop.
So the reason why we did that is because it just got a little bit too thick, and we want it to be a chilled soup. So we'll show you what the viscosity, the texture should look like. Okay, so, oh, I'm so excited for you to try this, Chef. Okay, so, make sure you get a little of everything. Did you just try the base? You didn't get the vegetables? You need to get the vegetables and the pistachio.
The crunchy for the pistachio is very good. Yes. Oh, the parsley.
Oh.
I think it's very the basil is very best flavor, but the parsley is very interesting.
It's nice, huh?
Yes, it's very nice.
Okay, do you approve of this gazpacho?
Yes,
in Spain?
perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
I was hoping for that. So presentation, you can let this sit, marry. I usually add in the herbs last if you're gonna let this sit till tomorrow, for example. But if you can see, I hope we got this really good on camera. So what I like to do is, thank you. I like to do a big scoop of the vegetables first. Chef, I have one little splatter. And then I'll come back with a little bit more of the broth. Can I call it gazpacho, or is it gonna get arrested? I'm gonna add. This is the star of the show here, this pistachio. And then we can finish. Can you tell me about this salt?
The salt is ecologic salt in north of Spain, and it's very interesting salt because it's the only ecologic salt in Spain.
Okay. So that is the pistachio blonde gazpacho.